Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is lecture number 13, subject science, class 5. Today we will solve exercise of unit number 4. We will first recall the new words and learn their meanings again. First word is vertebrates. Vertebrates are the animals which have a backbone. Mucus. The sticky liquid in the mouth is called mucus. Students, the third word is amphibians. Amphibians are the small vertebrates that need water or moist environment to live. The next word is worms. The worms are the animals which have circular tubular body. The next word is centipede. The centipede is a multicellular organism which have multiple legs. The next word is prokaryotes. They are the single-celled organisms without a nucleus. The next word is fungi. Fungi are the multicellular organisms which lives by absorbing the food. The next word is amoeba. Amoeba is a unicellular organism. And the last word is reptiles. Examples of reptiles are crocodiles, snakes. They are the cold-blooded animals. Most of them lay eggs. So students, we quickly recall all the new words which we have studied in this unit. Now we are going to solve the exercise. Question number 1 is choose the correct answer. First statement is which of these is not one of the 5 kingdoms? Option A is animals, B is plants, C is prokaryotes, and D is insects. And the correct answer is insects. They don't belong to the 5 kingdoms. Second statement is what do vertebrates have that invertebrates do not? And if you recall the definition of vertebrates and invertebrates, you will get the answer that invertebrates do not have a backbone while vertebrates have a backbone. And the C option, that is backbone, is a correct option. Third statement is which of these is an insect? Bluebird, bat, spider, cockroach. And the correct one is cockroach. Statement number 4, which of these do insects have? First option is 6 legs and a hard covering. Second is 2 feelers or antennae, 3 parts of their bodies. And the fourth option is all of the above. And all these 3 are the features of the insects. So we will mark option number 4, all of the above. The fifth statement is what do we call insects which destroy plants? Nasty, parasites, social, or pests? And the correct answer is pests. Pests are those insects which destroy the plants. Our next question is put these in order. Number 1 is which is biggest, which is smallest. We have to move from biggest towards the smallest. A option grasshopper, B option ant, C option cockroach, D option fly, and then butterfly. And when we classify them from biggest to the smallest, the order is butterfly, grasshopper, cockroach, fly, ant and ant. Second statement is which is longest and which is shortest. And when we classify them according to the length from longest to shortest, their order is bootless worm, earthworm, hookworm, nematode. So students, you have to learn from longest to shortest, and that is the correct order from longest to shortest. Number 3 is which is quietest and which is noisiest. यानी कौन सबसे खामोश है और कौन सबसे ज़्यादा आवाज़ निकालता है या शोर मचाता है. क्रिकेट, बी, फ्लाई, मस्कीटो, बीटल. And their correct sequence is beetle, mosquito, fly, bee and cricket. Which is softest and which is hardest? This is our question number 4, that we have to arrange these animals according to the from softest to the hardest, and their correct sequence from softest to hardest is butterfly, dragonfly, ant, ladybird and beetle. So beetle is the hardest and butterfly is softest. Now we have to write the answers of these questions. Question number 1 is, what do you understand by classification and why do you think it is important? And the answer is, classification means to put things into different classes according to their characters. It makes study of things easier. मतलब हम चीज़ों को क्लासीफाई इसलिए करते हैं ताकि उनको आसानी से स्टडी किया जा सके, और क्लासिफिकेशन का मतलब होता है चीज़ों को मुख्तलिफ़ क्लासेस के अंदर पुट करना, रखना. उनके करैक्टर्स के ऊपर ये डिपेंड करता है कि उनको हम किस क्लास में रखेंगे. वो इंसेक्ट्स हैं, वो प्रोकैरियोट्स हैं, वो मैमल्स हैं, मुख्तलिफ उनको क्लासीफाई करना उनके करैक्टर्स के अकॉर्डिंग. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज़, नेम 2 मैमल्स that live in the water and their names are dolphins and whales. Dolphins and whales are 2 mammals that live in water. हमने डॉल्फिन्स और वेल्स को उनकी जो करैक्टर्स हैं उसके ऊपर जब क्लासिफाई किया तो उनको मैमल्स के ग्रुप के अंदर रखा गया है, और ये वो मैमल्स हैं जो पानी में रहते हैं. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 इज़, नेम 5 इनवर्टिब्रेट्स डैट कुड बी लिविंग इन अ गार्डन. और वो 5 इनवर्टिब्रेट्स जो नॉर्मली गार्डन्स में पाए जाते हैं उनके नाम हैं बीटल्स, ड्रैगन फ्लाइज, एंट्स, earthworm, bees and butterfly. You have to learn the spellings of all these invertebrates. And the last part of the exercise is, you have to label these 6 things in your notebooks, and the main labeling of the diagram is living things, and these are the 5 kingdoms of the living things: protostists, prokaryotes, fungi, plants and animals. These are the kingdoms of living things. If you have any questions, you can ask in comment section. Thank you.